Okay, today before we install floors in here, Steve is installing bottom cabinets. We have one here right next to this little one. The stove will fit underneath. We have to change out the hood. It's not working. This cabinet will go next to it. And as Steve is trying to fit this up, we had to cut out a section here in the cabinet so that the plumbing can fit.
Yep.
We have to probably do a little bit more.
No, what I have to do is the water lines, you have to pull them up through this hole.
Okay, I see. Down there.
Yep.
Now we have to pull them up through that hole right there.
Yep.
Okay, and what we're doing is, here's the window. We're centering it in front of the window. That corner is going to be useless, but the counter will go all the way back. And then there's the counter and cabinet will go there next to the refrigerator. So what else have you done today?
Lift things up and put them down.
Yeah, and as we come over here, this is our pretty cabinet that we are going to stick up on top of there. And that right there will be the backsplash and back of the stove. So for now, kind of stepping back, you can see what we're doing. The top cabinets are fine. So after we install them, we're going to either paint everything white, or if we can stain it to be close to that color up there, we'll do that. And we'll put handles on here. We use these same cabinets in another mobile home that we, a couple years ago, had to do the whole kitchen,
Yep.
top and bottom. And it came out really pretty. So hopefully these will last a long time. And the next step will be, what are you going to do next, Steve?
Once I get this in and centered, I'll start putting the other ones in place and get those. Once I get everything situated and leveled and everything, I'll attach them to the wall so they won't move around. And they should be nice and level by the time I'm done. And then we can do a test fit of the countertop and maybe get that installed today. But we'll see.
Alright, so what happens if the cabinets are not leveled? What do you do?
I'll level them using the shims.
Okay, so these are shims you can pick up at any hardware store. And this is what we put underneath. But they replaced the subfloor with this whole kitchen, and they did a really nice job. So hopefully we won't have to level them. But just in case, we've got the shims, and we'll show you after we get it all set up what it's going to look like. Okay, we have the counters, cabinets. The counters are not installed yet because we want to see what we have over here. In front of the window here is where the sink's going to get cut out and put in. We have to get more countertops. We can have a 45-degree angle in this corner because this is a dead corner. And we'll be cutting this off around here. We'll use this little piece that we're going to put right here on the edge. But standing back, this is what it looks like. They kind of look pretty just being natural like that. And then right where the stove is supposed to go, right there, is where we're going to put a backsplash, where it'll create something with the tile look over here. I don't know if you can tell it, but it wipes down very easily. So did you find the water shut off, Steve?
I did. It's on this end of the house underneath the bathtub.
From the well or the house?
It's the cut-off valve for this house.
That's why that was undone, because Dustin went over there to turn it off.
Yeah.
Okay. So we are over here looking at the kitchen, slowly putting it together. And we have an extra cabinet here, so we're going to be taking that one back. We didn't need it. There's not much counter space in here. big enough to put an island if it was big enough to put a table over here, but then it's not gonna work in a mobile home.